I'm about to get something from out the store. You want something?
No, I'm good. Thanks, babe.
You sure?
I'm sure.
All right. Give me a minute.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, baby.
I don't even know why I'm picking up the phone, actually. I mean, give me one good reason why I shouldn't hang up right now.
Because I miss you.
I mean, that's good and all, but I gotta go. I'm at work.
Who's that?
Nobody. You know, work. They're trying to get me to come in, but I told them no.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, babe, you know I want to spend the day with you.
Damn, bro, you done fucked up my shit. Got my girl curving me and shit.
Yo, Stunts, this is what the fuck I'm talking about. You too busy worried about a bitch being mad at you that you should be worried about how we gonna flip this work. What the fuck is this, high school?
Nigga, you know I got mad bitches. But you know Cream is my star player, you know what I mean? The real MVP. You know what I mean?
Yo, buy the bitch a bag. She'll forget why she's mad. Buy the bitch a bag. Let's get to this fucking work.
Loving your hair color, though.
Well, thank you, babe. You know I gotta keep a couple bundles on deck, just in case.
Looking good, though.
Thank you. So where we going to next?
Anywhere you want to go.
That's what I like to hear.